Alright, got a little mail coming here today. Not sure what it all is. It's a mortgage bill. Yeah, we'll have a little opening here and see what was all I got. I guess this weather got everything delayed, so we I-10 was supposedly closed this morning, so the stuff coming from Baton Rouge didn't make it. My screwdriver. Alright, I got some snow seal. All of your waterproofing needs. Snow seal. Can't find it around here anymore. You used to get it at Walmart and you see it everywhere, but now it's kind of a rarity. So I had to order this off eBay. Pretty much everything came from eBay because we don't have very many good stores around here. This is, at this point I don't even remember what all I've ordered because this stuff's been delayed for so long. That's a little eBay spark plug. So we have a Polaris 4-wheeler that's giving us issues, and before I spent $300 on a Polaris branded one, I went ahead and bought this, see if we could make it change what it's doing any at all. So I don't think that's the right one, but we already tried this one once. But anyway, oh well. Continue on down that road later. Man. Oh, packing peanuts. No. Whoever designed them things, that'd be gut shot. Okay, this is going to be the starter for that. Recoil rewinder, spring. You got a, I think that is the little deal on the front you turn to adjust the mixture on it. Alright, destined for the trash. Alright. I got a package in a package. What is this? Oh, look at there. CZ22 mag. You buy a CZ rifle for your kids. Look at there, inadvertently opened because it's freezing outside. Buy a 22 rifle for your kids, pay $700 for it, it comes with a dadgum blank magazine. Like, what in the world kind of crap is that? So now I got to put some bullets in there. Put that in my pocket. Put that right there. Sure not to lose that. Alrighty, what we got here? Wisconsin. 6-volt buck converter. Mojo mallards. 2 6-volt buck converters. I didn't order one, but I'll take it. Was it heavy like sand in here or something? Okay. Again, with our Polaris, we had some issues. I think the Bendix is stuck. It's just an old beater four-wheeler. I'm not spending a whole lot of money. I normally like to buy name brand, you know, OEM parts, but something that doesn't cost, I didn't pay but $1,000 for it. I want to pay $300 for a starter. $43.99. I can change a bunch of them for that if it's not too hard to get to. This is a starter for our Polaris. New solenoid. Don't think that's what's wrong with it because it will turn, but it could be something in there not delivering enough amperage. Pass it through. We shall see. And last but not least, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. So I had this hat spotted on there. The Filson Wildfowler. Pretty sweet hat. And then I liked it, or watched it, or whatever on there. I was like, it's never gonna come down. It's pretty expensive. So I went ahead and bought this Gore-Tex one because we got into we normally don't have real severe weather down here, but it got down to like -7 or something like that. Not -7, 7 degrees. And had a little rain with it, and I don't have a whole lot of Gore-Tex anymore. I've had some in the past, but misplaced it, I guess, or people borrowed it, didn't bring it back. I did buy this Columbia vintage Gore-Tex. Large, extra large. I don't know what that's going to fit like on my extra large head. Columbia branded. Kind of like this hat. Let's see what it looks like. A little tight. I'll tell you, you're riding a four-wheeler in the freezing, it'd be just real nice, just real nice. A little bill out there, you know, keep the sun at your eyes, maybe. You know, shitter's full. Alrighty. May give that little tie there, I don't know, but it is Gore-Tex. Yeah, it's a little waterproof. Should be pretty warm. Got this fleece lining in it. But anyway, a while after I bought this one for 40 bucks, something like that, this one here came up with an offer that I couldn't refuse, so now I have both. I brought this hat home yesterday or day before, and the oldest Ty, he said, "Let me see that hat." He put it on. He said, "Man, I believe you out of hat." Glad to buy no one. Anyway, I got a camouflage one coming, so shadowgrass, but it's tin cloth, and so is this. Apply a little bit of that snow seal, heat it up, and apply it to the seams. If not, lightly put it on here. Put too much, it'll be extremely hot, but it will be extremely waterproof. So somewhere in the middle is where I like it, all of my tin cloth to be. Somewhere between enough wax to repel the water and somewhat breathable. This jacket here is extremely comfortable to wear most of the time. I mean, when it gets up to 60 degrees, you got to take it off, obviously, but you know, it is what it is. You know, you can't, if something's waterproof, it's not gonna allow your moisture to come out. So it's gonna be miserable. It's gonna be sweaty. It's just the nature of something being waterproof, right? I mean, there's Gore-Tex, which is great, but when Gore-Tex gets wet, it's just like wearing a slicker suit because the vapor is equalizing on both sides. So I don't know. I like the tin cloth. You have several garments in it. And, you know, what I wear all the time. Anyway, Till next time.